Milky Way, the prophecy of 5 in the land of Arendelle. Legends speak of 5 elemental spirits: water, fire, earth, air, and ice, harmonized by a 6th force, the bridge. This bridge had once been Elsa, now a memory spirit lingering in frost and dreams. 5 spirits must stand together, whispered Elsa, the mirror spirit. But the 5th, the bridge, must be reborn. The answer began to awaken in a child of 2 worlds, born of magic and memory. Her name, Liora. Crowned Liora's trial of the elements to become the bridge, Liora had to connect to all 4 elements and survive. 1. Earth. Liora stood before the earth giants, tested by rumbling riddles and shifting stone paths. She listened through her feet, feeling the answers deep within the ground. She passed. 2. Fire. Bruni led her into a volcanic cavern. Dancing amidst flame spirals, she calmed the fire with her breath. Bruni curled around her shoulder, glowing with pride. 3. Water. The fierce Nock tried to throw her off its back. Yet she sang Elsa's lullaby, and the Nock bowed its head. Fearlessly, she rode it back. 4. Air. Gale turned into a whirlwind of questions and illusions. Amidst the stormy sky, Liora whispered, "I will never let the world fall silent." Gale stilled, spinning into her hand like a ribbon. At the center of all her trials, Liora glowed. Her heartbeat synced with the world. She was the new 5th spirit. Shooting star, the spirits assembled. Queen Anna summoned a gathering in the enchanted forest. Spirits united after generations, the Nock for water, Bruni for fire, earth giants for earth, Gale for air, Liora as the bridge. Isel, the mirror spirit, stood shimmering alongside her. Olaf, filled with Elsa's memories, spoke. Elsa wanted magic and memory united not just by power, but by love. A message from Elsa. The wind shimmered, forming Elsa's voice. "You are more than my legacy, Liora. You are the balance I never achieved. Go forward in your own light." Liora touched snowflakes in her heart. "I won't let you down, Mama." Crossed swords hash. The battle approaches in the north. Nerix's tower pulsed with shadows, devouring dreams and bending light. Anna said, "We fight now, or lose everything." Arendelle's forces rallied. Northuldra stood ready. Kristoff, Sven sharpened ice axes. Olaf stood taller than ever, his flurry spinning like armor. But above all, Liora rose, a glowing figure with each spirit forming a circle of harmony behind her. Final words before all that night, Anna and Liora stood below the moon. "Do you think I can truly stop Nerix?" asked Liora. Anna assured, "Not alone, Liora. You have all of us and love, something Nerix will never understand." Liora nodded, eyes shimmering with resolve. "Tomorrow, we fight."